Hi everybody. I thought I would tell you what I did yesterday. I actually made this very cool face mask, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make a face mask so that when you go out in public you can be protected. It's actually a pretty easy thing to do. I was lucky in the fact that when I was young my mom taught me how to sew, and I still have a sewing machine. So ladies, it's really quite easy to make one of these, and you actually could start a contest about who has the prettiest face mask. So all it takes is a scrap of fabric, okay? I had this fabric sitting in my home because I sew and I've sewn for years. So get a scrap of fabric. You need it to be 12 inches by 12 inches for the main part of the mask. And I did these cool pleats. So I put 3 pleats in because when you put the mask over your face, it needs to go over your nose and your mouth. So 12 by 12 piece of fabric. And then for the ties, you need 4 ties. So if you make the ties about 18 inches long, and then you can sew them onto the side of the face mask. Now, if you have a sewing machine, obviously this is way easier to do, but if you don't, you can use an old t-shirt, one of your favorite t-shirts. You can use elastic for ties. You can use fabric glue. You don't need a sewing machine to make one of these masks. They're actually quite easy to make. And if you have scarves around the house, if you have old handkerchiefs around the house, any type of wrap that you can use for your face, we now are supposed to use these when we go out so that those of us who are healthy or who may be carrying the virus are not talking at someone and spreading the virus to them. So share this in your families, make it a project with your kids. You know, this could be a really fun project to do about who has the most beautiful face mask, and everybody could start posting photos on face masks on Facebook, and we could actually have a contest about face masks. So that's my big suggestion for today. The CDC came out with the suggestion yesterday just so that we can all get back out and about, going around in society. Wearing a little pretty face mask can be something cool to do, and it can be a fun project within your family. You don't need a sewing machine. You can use, again, a t-shirt, some scrap material, fabric glue. You can safety pin the ties on, whatever you need to do. It's actually a pretty easy and it's a fun task. So consider doing this so that we can all get back out to society and back out to life. It's a pretty cool thing to do. It's easy to do. I made a couple for my family last night. Share them, make it your weekend project, and get outside, because being outside is really good for our mood. It's good to inspire us, and the exercise is fabulous. And thank God today we have a sunny day in Colorado. I'm Pamela D. Wilson. My website is PamelaDWilson.com. On there, helpful information for caregivers and aging adults. Have a fabulous day today. I'll see you tomorrow in another video, and get that face mask made. Get out there and make it today. I'll see you later.